Alright, so ang player na may 51 votes ay si... Please, Minola. Mario! What? Mario, what? Mario's good, bro. Yes, kasi ilalabas na yung movie sa 2026. That's why I want to vote Mario for elimination! What? Grabe mga taong to ah. Wait a minute. Did he make it to the first game last series? I have no idea. Alright, so dahil dyan, Mini Olaf, you're forcefully playing the games. What? Oh! Bumalik si Mini Olaf. Wait, Mario. Alright. Mario, you have to decide. I-split nyo ba yung money nyo ng 4,347 pesos sa lahat ng 92 players, or you will eliminate yourself but the other people will continue to compete for 25 million pesos. Mario, ano ang decision mo? I'm going to eliminate myself. Uy, ang daya naman ah. Nag-eliminate. Oo nga eh. Alright, so Mario, dahil dyan, the remaining players will compete for 25 million pesos and proceed to the next game while you are eliminated. Mamma mia. Pero, wait, guys. Watch New Super Mario Galaxy sa 2026. It's fun and it's worth. Ay, nagpungot na movie ah. Alright, Mario. Papanood namin ang movie mo, pero eliminate ka muna. Oh! Mario eliminated. What? He got the karma. Oo nga eh, may twist pala ang game eh. Alright, players, now there's only 91 players left. Pero, magkukontinue tayo sa second game. Oh, grabe naman to. Yeah, that's right. Wait a minute. Bakit nasa same position tayo? Huh? What? Wait a minute. Why we're in the same position? Alright, so the second game is Langit Lupa. Uy, Langit Lupa ayos ah. Hindi ba tag game yon? Yes, tama ka, White Polar Bear. Ito ay tag game. You gotta be kidding me. Wait, hold on, what? Wait a minute. Tag game? Oh, shoot. Oh no. That means, if the player tag you, eliminated ka na. Okay, eliminated na tayo nun. Oh nga. Alright, so, pipili ako ng 3 random players na kailangan i-eliminate ang itag ang players. Okay? Meron na akong ditong save zones. Okay? Pwede nyo napakan yan. Ibig sabihin, kapag natag kayo, habang save zone kayo, you are not eliminated. Pero kapag sobrang tagal kayo doon, you are eliminated. Shoot. Oh, shoot. So, I'm gonna pick 3 random players. At lahat ng 3 random players na yun, ay sila ang taggers. Oh, no. Wait, what? Manda kayo sa akin. Pag naging tagger ako, manda kayo sa akin. Marunong ako tumakbo at tumalon. Ako din. Grabe ang yabang nyo ah. Okay? Pero, kapag kayo napili, you have to tag at least 2 players within 30 seconds. There will be consist of 3 rounds in this game. If you fail to tag at least 2 players within the time limit, you are also eliminated. Oh shoot. Sana hindi ako tagger. Oh my. Don't worry guys. If I'm the tagger, I'm not going to be the tagger. Okay. Alright. Okay? Oh, yun na. Alright, here's the start of round 1. It's time to pick 3 random players. Oh no. Langit, Lupa, Squid Game. Sino ang maging taya? Uy! Sino yun? Oh no! Si Among Santon! Oh no! Solid! Uy, grabe! Solid! Si Bam nakaroon ng taga! Tama-tama yung mga sinasabi ninyo. Mandahil sa akin, ititag ko yung mga 2 players. Oo nga. Alright! So, sisimulan natin ang game. Oh no. Don't worry, si Among gusto kasi hindi yan itag sa akin. Oh no. Okay? So, taggers, you have 30 seconds para itag lahat ng mga players nandun. At least 2 players or you will be eliminated. The round starts now. Takbo. wala sila. Saan ngayon napunta? Oh no! Jane Dagger! Huwag tagbalik mo! Hoy! Ano ginawa niyo sa akin, mga hayop kayo? Tag! Red Among Us eliminated. No! Oh no! Saan tayo pupunta? Abaywan ko. Tag! 1, 2, 3 block and blue block are eliminated. Among Us passed. Ang pagod naman, takas naman Uy! Si Combo Panda! Halika dito, pre! Oh, shoot! Dang it! Kala mo Oh no! Magkakamp na ako dito. Oy, pre! Tag mo na lang ako! Oh no! Tag! Block! Eliminated! 15 seconds left. Oh no! Kaped! Buti lang nakatag ka Oo nga Tapos na ako. Oo na. Saan kaya yun? Oh no. Uy! Ikaw pala yun Oh no! Tag! Di ba Rubik's Cube eliminated? Dahil naman Rat! Passed! Oh, shoot! Oh no, 10 seconds left. Oh no. Umalis ka dito. No. Hype ka. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tag! Temperature guy, eliminate him. Tapos na ang round 1. Hindi mo ako tinag. Shoot! Alright, congratulations sa lahat ng mga nag-survive sa round 2. Alright, ngayon, sa round 2 this time, 2 taggers lang ang tatawag ko. Huh? 2 taggers lang? Oh no. Buti lang, 2. Magpasalamat kayo. Kung di pa katulad, mayaman na naman tayo. Oh. Alright. So, ang pipiliin kong 2 taggers ay si... Oh no. Sino kaya yun? Si Green Computer Guy and... Frog. Wait, what? We're green? Oo nga Ay, teka lang muna. Langit lupa. Sweet game, sino kaya maghintayaan? Oh, ayan na, magte-teleport na sila. Oo nga Palaka ako, pero mabagal ako mag-tag. Ako din, hindi ako magagalaw Alright, so, 2 taggers, alam nyo na ang rule. Start now. Yeah, they're walking so slow. That's kinda weird. Ay, teka lang. Mabagal sila, no? Oo nga Wait lang, may plano ako. Wait, gawin mo sa akin. Whoa! Tag! Horse eliminated. However, gumagana yan yung plano mo, Oh no, Kapit, watch out May mga players na mag-aagis sa'yo sa taggers at yung magtataggers na lang mismo magtatag malapit sa'yo. Oh shoot! Tapon natin! Whoa! Oh no! Tag! Lime Among Us eliminated. Green Computer Guy passed. Dahil naman 10 seconds left 9, 8, I cannot walk faster, bro. Whoa! Oh, yes! Tag! Girl person eliminated. 2 times up! Wait! Ang dahil naman Huh? What? Oh no! Frog is eliminated, isa lang tinang niya. Alright, so Frog, because you failed to tag at least 2 players, you are eliminated. Oh no! Oh! Frog eliminated. Oh no! Last round na. Oh no. Huwag yung mga toxic players kasi if those toxic players, they know how to tag properly. Yeah. Alright, so last round na. It means sa last round, isang tagger na ang pipiliin ko. So, langit, lupa, Squid Game, sino kaya maging taya? Wait, sino kaya? Oh no, sino kaya? Wait guys, if it's Kermit or Spider-Man or Carrot Rabbit, it's I'm gonna crash out. Yeah. kayo sa akin! Oh shoot! Si Kermit pala yung tagger! Oh no! Magalingan tumalo, magalingan tumakbo. Kaya manda na lang tayo. Oh no! Cuphead, manda ka sa akin! Oh no! Cuphead, he's going for you. You have to run, okay? Wait, kaya lahat tayo dapat tumakbo. Wait a minute! Kermit can only tag 2 players. Oh no, oh no. Right. Alright, the last song starts now! Oh no, yan ang Kermit! Oh shoot! Mas kotroble ako dito. Tag! Minion to, eliminated. Dito ka. Nandito na ako, hindi niya ako matatag mo. Uy! Yo, give me a space, bro. Pasensya ka na, pre. Ano ba yan, pre? Bigyan mo naman ako. May tag na ako ni Kermit. Tag! Walkie-talkie, eliminated. No! Makayip kayo! Kala mo, ha? Oh, shoot, dang it! Kala mo, Kermit, ha? Wait, Cuphead, the announcer said Kermit has already tagged 2 players. Wait, oo nga no, pwede na. Wait, Cuphead, hindi pa natatapos yung game, parang may hinahanap pa siya. Oh shoot. Oh no, si Kermit! Sino nagsabing dalawa lang pwede tag ko? There could be more than 2 players that I can tag. Oh no! Tag! Yellow Amogus eliminated. Oh no, tag mo! Halika dito. Okay guys, I think safe tayo dito. Ha? Sure ka ba sa sinasabi mo? Oo nga, I think. 15 seconds left. Oh no. I need tag more players para maging tumataas yung pera. Makamayaman ako. Sige, tag mo ako. Ay, salamat ha. Tag! Play-Doh eliminated. Oh no, Cuphead! 4 na yung tinag ni Kermit. Oh shoot, 4 players, so it's not good. Oh no, paano yan? Tag! Pink Amogus eliminated. Grabe! Oh! Bakit naman hindi ko kilala yung eliminate ko? Dapat yung kilala ko kasi eliminate eh. Oh, you're betraying your other friends ha? Kala mo ha? Shoot! Ay, si Cuphead pa nga na. 5, 4, 3, yan na, 2, 1, 2 times up. Tag! Oh no! Si Kermit! Oh shoot! He came out of nowhere. Yeah! Wait! Host! I tagged Cuphead. Di ba counted yun? Sorry, but that tag is not counted. Shoot! But you were able to tag 5 players. Congratulations, Kermit! Yeah! Swerte mo, Cuphead. Hindi ako nakakabot sa oras. Oh no. Pero sa mga susunod na games, I'm going to eliminate you. Go ahead and try, you dumb little person. Oh. Yun na. Alright, so congratulations sa mga players. The second game is now finished. Okay. Oh, I cannot believe Yellow Amogus eliminated in the second game. Yeah, mo kapit pag-giganti natin yun. If I were there, in the elimination, I'm going to vote to leave the games and get that money. But paano si Yellow Amogus? How do we get revenge on him? Si Kermit na eliminate niya eh. Akin yung pera mo. Hype ka, Kermit. Oo nga, tama. Akin na lahat ang mga pera ninyo. 25 million pesos. Mga hayop kayo. Hey, may Cuphead, gotta listen, okay? May mga toxic players na yun. They're going to target you next in the next game. The games won't get easy progressively as they're so toxic on you. Yes, Cuphead, tama yung sinasabi niya. Kailangan natin mag-team up kung alin natin maging involved sa kanila. Yeah, that's right. Alright, players, congratulations sa lahat na nakapasa sa second game. And throughout the second game, 15 players got eliminated from that game. And so therefore, the remaining 76 players will split of a total prize money of 1,200,000 pesos. Huh? 1,200,000 pesos? Ang weird naman eh. Tama ka, Cuphead. Dahil dito, if the eliminated player will choose to leave the games right now, each player will get 15,789 pesos. 15,000? Almost 20,000 na yun. I'm still gonna leave the games. Yeah. Uy, grabe ah! 15,000? Kulang pa yan, hayop ka! Yeah, but the other players don't want 15,000. Oh, what? Okay. Alright, so kagaya ng sinabi ko sa ibang games, I'm gonna pick 2 random players who's up for elimination. And if the majority voted that player, the player will either be eliminated or be saved, but to stop the games and split the money of 15,000. Oh no. Alright! Huwag natin paligoy-ligoy pa. Ang first player na pipiliin ko ay si Donald. Huh? What? Yeah! Hurrah! And the second player finally. No, second player. I see Iggy! Yes! Hurrah! Yes! May chance tayo. Pipiliin natin si Iggy. Yeah. We're gonna vote for Iggy. Yes, okay. He's gonna vote to lead the games. But what about those people na... What about sila mo gusto ng ganti? This is very important na yung safety natin. If we keep going further, then more players will be eliminated. You don't understand it? Okay, fine. Okay. Alright, so magboto na kayo kung sino-sino man ang gusto nyo botohin. A few minutes later. Alright, so the second voting is done. Alright, pinili ko sige. Yeah, same. Alright, so the player who got 45 votes, 45? Grabe, 45 ah. Sino kaya yan? Ang player na may 45 votes ay si... Please, Iggy.